for the sake of me and my mind, I think we should split apart. Sincerely, Eva.
We've had slam poetry artists here on campus before, so I'm always trying to get slam artists back in here.
I personally really like poetry, so it's been pretty fun for me. I love writing and stuff, expressing my feelings.
You don't get this experience every single time.
And I think that this is such a great age to really kind of introduce that idea because they're starting to really figure out who they are, to express themselves, to understand themselves a little bit more. And what better place to put that than like kind of on the page.
Go get ice cream.
They were great. They were very energetic. The one-on-one conversations I got to have with some of the students were beautiful.
The realization of words having a deeper meaning into what words are just put together for.
I get to express my feelings. Sometimes that's kind of hard for me, but whenever I do it into poetry and I know that nobody's really gonna look at it, it just helps me express it and get everything off my chest.
I think because the medium itself, it has no constraints and they can just really express themselves either on the page or out loud in a way that they don't always get the freedom to do in the classroom.
Round Rock ISD is the place to be. No reason to fuss, because it starts with us.